Hi, welcome to my shower, and for the rest of you, welcome back. Today I am taking you with me while I am styling my hair, and I remember when I just started my healthy hair journey and I was really interested in other curlies, how they do their hair and how they style it, how they take care of it. And I watched so many YouTube videos, and I really liked the videos that were very accurate and that fully showed how the person that I was watching at the moment was styling her hair. So today I will show you everything, and then I mean everything. So this is a non-glamorous edited video, but it is a video where you can see how I really style my hair and which products I really love. Well, in the meantime, I already started, as you can see. I love using my diamond brush to make sure all my hair is coated with product. So for now I use the Devacurl Believe In, the Wave Maker and the Bouclem Curl Cream. I always mix my products, as some of you might already know. The Devacurl Wave Maker is a new one for me, and let me tell you, it is not only for waves, it works perfect for my curls because it gives me that extra body that I was missing, so love it. Now that it is summer, I prefer using the Bouclem Curl Cream over the Super Cream from Devacurl that I normally use. It is much lighter, but it still gives me that definition that I really want. So a new favorite. Well, with the gel I do the same thing as with my other stylers. I mix all things good. The Devacurl Archangel gives me spiral curls and a lot of moisture, and the Bounce Curl gives me extra hold and a lot of definition as well, and the Bouclem gives me a lot of shine and extra definition. The back of my hair is always a little bit more frizzy and less defined, so I go in with my diamond brush to make it extra smooth. So to finish, I used my favorite product of all time, my homemade flexi gel, and I have a video with a recipe and I will put a link below if you haven't seen it yet. I now finished with the flexi gel since it is very cold because I store it in the fridge. Finishing with a cold product will close the cuticle and lock in the moisture, so gives you frizz-free results. I really focus on smoothing down strands of hair instead of raking, because it really helps to form clumps. You can already see they are starting to form, and it prevents single hairs from sticking out, and that really helps to avoid frizz. I know I told you in my other videos, but I cannot say it enough that scrunching is so important for getting definition. I make sure to leave my layers so I won't get that triangle shape. To get rid of the excess water, I use a very smooth polyester top that causes less friction than a microfiber towel. I always put my hair in a shower cap for about 10 minutes when I'm finished, so this way my curls can already start to form. The Dyson Supersonic has 3 heat settings, and for the speed it has 3 settings as well. And for both I always use the lowest setting. The Dyson Supersonic cuts down my diffusing time almost in half of what it normally takes. Honestly, it's the speediest thing I've ever used. If you want to know more about the Dyson, you can watch my Dyson video here on YouTube. And for more tips about diffusing, you can watch my other hair routine videos. I always start picking my hair when it is for about 80 to 90% dry. This really makes a difference in volume. So now I go back in with a bit more product to define the curls that lost definition during the diffusing process. This time I used the Devacurl Super Cream mixed with the Devacurl Set It Free, but you can use any moisturizing product you like. As you can see, I really love Devacurl products, and I know it is very hard to get your hands on them here in Europe, where I live. So I will upload a video very soon and tell you where I get my Devacurl products for a very reasonable price. My curls really tend to clump, so for me it is really important to separate my curls before it is fully dry. It really makes a big difference in volume for the next coming days. And now it is fully dry, and oh, I want you to meet someone special. This is Vlinder, the love of my life. You may have already met her on Instagram, and she's really the cutest. So now I go back in with my favorite tool, which you probably already know, but this is my hair pick, and it really makes a huge difference when it comes to volume, and I always have one with me, can't live without it. Well, these are the final results, and I separate some more curl clusters that are left. And shake it a bit more to loosen up everything and create more volume. I also wanted to show you the difference between the results now and the results the next day. As you can see, my curls are still very defined, but I do have more volume, which I love. Really hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye bye!